There's one out deep. That's a good one right there. There we go. Woohoo! There's a good one. Good spotted bass. It's Dalton, everybody. Just out here doing some fishing. Ran across a whole bunch of little dinky ones today, and probably could have sat there and caught 50 of them. Didn't want to do it. It's New Year's Eve. Thought I would come out here in the lake at Lake Nacimiento and just tell you guys how much I appreciate you. Appreciate you watching the channel, all the kind words. When I see you out here talking with you, I love it, man. Thanks, everybody. Let's see if I can get another one. Alrighty, good fighter. Oh, that's a nice spot right here. Another good one. Not bad. Pretty long fish. Now guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. You know, I'm not 100% sure who came up with being a bass fisherman in the winter time. I've been cold all day long. Caught quite a few fish. A couple of nice ones with jigs. I just want to do this video though to just say we thank you for being a part of the channel, and Happy New Year. Looking forward to a good year of fishing. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you next time.